"We are all brothers and sisters," Pope Francis once said, reminding us of the fundamental unity that binds humanity. Throughout 2024, the Pope continued to be a beacon of hope, his actions speaking volumes about his commitment to peace, love, and understanding. Despite facing health challenges, his spirit remained unyielding. At 88, Pope Francis is no stranger to the ailments that come with age. Earlier in the year, a bout of bronchitis had many concerned, yet, like a resilient shepherd tending his flock, he recovered and continued his mission. While a fall in December served as a reminder of his frailty, it did little to dampen his spirit. Pope Francis embarked on numerous trips in 2024, taking his message of love and peace to far-flung corners of the world. From Indonesia to Singapore and Europe, his presence was felt deeply. His actions serve as a powerful reminder that despite our differences, we are united by our shared humanity. One of the most remarkable aspects of Pope Francis's papacy has been his willingness to engage with the world. His longest journey took him to Southeast Asia, where he visited Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Timor-Leste, and Singapore. This region, with its diverse cultures and religions, provided a unique backdrop for the Pope's message of interfaith dialogue and understanding. He met with leaders and ordinary people alike, emphasizing the importance of peace, tolerance, and respect for all. In Luxembourg, he addressed the European Parliament, calling for a more united and compassionate Europe. His visit to Belgium was a powerful reminder of the need for reconciliation and healing. Finally, his trip to Corsica, the island of his ancestors, was a deeply personal one, emphasizing the need for solidarity and fraternity. Pope Francis understands that the Catholic Church must evolve to remain relevant in the 21st century. This vision was at the heart of the Synod of Bishops on Synodality, a major event in the life of the Church in 2024. The Synod, which focused on communion, participation and mission, was unique because for the first time it included lay people as voting members. Participants engaged in open discussions about pressing issues, including the role of women and the Church's response to the LGBTQ+ community. It marked a significant step forward in the journey toward a more synodal Church. In a world often obsessed with material wealth and technological advancement, Pope Francis's message of love and compassion is most needed. This message was at the heart of his fourth encyclical, released in 2024. The encyclical, whose title translates to "He Loved Us," is a profound reflection on the love of Jesus Christ and its implications for how we live our lives today. Pope Francis argues that true love is not about self-gratification, but about self-gift. It is about seeing the face of Christ in the other, particularly in the poor, the marginalized, and the forgotten. The encyclical also addresses challenges posed by modern technology, particularly artificial intelligence. It is a powerful reminder that love is the very essence of the Christian life, urging us to live in a way that reflects the love of Christ.